In this video, we'll be covering the installation process for ReFX products including Nexus and the various Nexus expansions. To begin, after you've purchased your ReFX product, you'll receive an email with your account login information. Once you have that, you can log into your account on the ReFX website and download the Cloud app. The ReFX Cloud app is required and acts as the central software where you'll manage your installations and content. After you've installed and started the ReFX Cloud app, you'll need to enter your ReFX account information. Once you've logged in, all of your available content will appear automatically in the ReFX Cloud app, including your Nexus expansions. To install Nexus, you can click the Nexus icon. Once Nexus is finished downloading, you'll be taken through the installation process. Now that you've installed Nexus, you can begin installing the factory content and any additional Nexus expansions that you own. As an added bonus, there are several free libraries for Nexus included with your ReFX account to give you a massive amount of content ready to be used in your next session. To add the Nexus expansions, you can click the expansion icon to download it. These may take some time to download, depending on the expansion size and your connection speed. Once an expansion has downloaded, it will be automatically installed and added into Nexus. If you'd like to manage all of your content at once, you can click the menu icon at the top right of the Nexus expansions area and choose to install, verify, update, or uninstall all of your expansions at once. This is also possible for any ReFX plugins you own by using the same menu icon located in the plugins area. If you ever need to uninstall Nexus or any of the expansions, you can right-click on the expansion and select the uninstall option. With so many expansions available, you may need to search for individual expansions in your library. To do this, you can use the search bar at the top of the ReFX Cloud app. This makes navigating even the largest libraries a breeze to locate and manage individual expansions as needed. If you have any questions with the installation process or want more information on Nexus or other ReFX products, you can visit refx.com.